We need to find this guy who's messaged Volcano Baking and beat him
Yeah.
up. And before I think I have Volcano Baking on my other account actually. I don't know.
Then you find out it's actually you. You have a crisis.
And then alternate reality.
I'm not gonna. You guys gonna beat me up? I gotta fight back. What should I name my character then? I have no idea. Oh, by the way, I found also it's Laval Quaddy. It's not really.
It's not
Like it's like
It's not a Kawadi at all.
that's what it is.
Wearing nothing at all.
I wish it would look like Quaddy because like
It's not a Kawadi. Kawadi's not a bird.
What is our audience in birds?
obviously this is what I named my okay, trash. This is what I name